Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see that how you can download and install the GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. So the best way to download this game is on Steam. Just open up your Google and here in the search box just type the Steam and just hit the enter, and now just open up the first website which says the welcome to Steam, and now here you can just simply sign into your account and just simply sign up if you don't have an account, and then click on the install Steam option you are seeing, and then simply click on the install Steam. Then it will start downloading the setup of the Steam. Then you can simply install it into your PC, and then you can just simply click on the search box when you open it, and now here you can just simply search for the GTA and then hit the enter, and now you can scroll down and just look for the GTA San Andreas game and just click on it, and now you can just open up this game, and now here you can just simply put your birthday and just click on the view page, and then you can just simply download it into your PC. So guys, this is the paid game. So when you pay, you are just basically going to download three games, which first is the Grand Theft Auto 3 and the GTA Vice City and GTA San Andreas. So basically these are the three games. Just click on the view my cart option, and then you can just simply click on the continue to payment option. After that, now you can just simply pay with your PayPal or any other cards you are seeing, then just simply click on the continue option. After that, just click on the library, go to the home, and now your game will be added into your library, and then you can click on your game and then click on the install option. Then it will start downloading and installing in your PC. And guys, this is how you can download and install the GTA San Andreas on your PC. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.